Here's a new 2020 Genesis G70. Others are built to be mirror images of the world around them. The G70 is built to change it. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver-controlled suspension management, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, height-adjustable automatic with driver-control suspension, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.